Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. She sings. She dances beautifully. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. Wait here, I return. Option C is the correct answer. Question 3. He is poor, honest. Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. We will leave. You come. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. She was tired. She kept working. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. The book is interesting. Difficult. Option B is the correct answer. Question 7. She is happy. She has passed the exam. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. We stayed home. It was raining. Option B is the correct answer. Question 9. He worked hard. He passed the exam. Option A is the correct answer. Question 10. She must be tired. She has worked all day. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. I will go to the party. I finished my work. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. She sings, plays the piano. Option C is the correct answer. Question 13. We will stay here. You return. Option C is the correct answer. Question 14. He is rich. He is unhappy. Option B is the correct answer. Question 15. You can have juice, milk. Option C is the correct answer.